Hey, welcome to Flemdog Tutorials. Today we're going to be looking at balancing equations. Let me know what questions you have and we can figure those out together and make your chemistry journey fun and exciting. More fun, hopefully. I thought today, let's do this one right here. And we could also do this one right here. So we'll do two practice balancing problems. So our first one, we have aluminum and HCl, hydrochloric, and they are reacting to form aluminum chloride and hydrogen gas. And what we need to do is balance that. So we have aluminum. Our general rule is we need the same number of aluminums on the reactant side. So if I draw my line down the middle, this side is called the reactants, and this side's called the products. This acts like, our arrow acts like an equal sign. So conservation of mass says all of my aluminums that I have here need to be the same that I have here. So let's begin. On this side, I have three chlorines, three chloride ions, whereas on this side, I only have one chlorine, or one chloride in this case. So that means I need to have three of them. And you might think you could just put the three right there, but that is cheating for chemistry. I won't get into the whole reason now, but it changes the nature of that molecule, so I can't do that. So in order to get three, I have to get three of this whole group that I have here, three H's and three Cl's. So that takes care of my three chlorines, three chlorides. Now I have three H's, but over here I have two H's. Whenever I have a situation like that, what I like to do is go to the first number they both go into. And the first number 3 and 2 go into is 6. So 2 times what is 6? 2 times 3 is 6. So what this 3 is telling us is I have H2, H2, H2. I have a hydrogen stuck to a hydrogen stuck to a hydrogen, and a hydrogen stuck to a hydrogen. I have this 3 times right there. So 3 hydrogens, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hydrogens total. Over here, currently I said I have 3 hydrogens. So I'm going to need to change this because I have this 3 told us, this 3 right here told us I have HCl, HCl, and HCl, which has 1, 2, 3 hydrogens, but we need to get to 6 hydrogens. So let's cross out this 3 and make it a 6. So now we have HCl, and we need 3 more HCl. There's 4, 5, and 6. So that gives me 6 hydrogens, and 2 times 3 is 6 hydrogens, which we saw when we diagrammed that. And we have 6 chlorides, and currently we have 3 chlorides on this side because we have aluminum stuck to, I drew that poorly. Aluminum stuck to chloride, I'll just draw it like this, chloride, chloride, and we need to get to 6. So we'll need another aluminum with chloride, 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 all stuck to that there. So to show that we have 2 of them, we're going to put a 2 right out front. And that 2 is also going to be related to this aluminum here because I have 1, 2 aluminums. And over here, I currently only have 1 aluminum. To get 2 aluminums, the way that we'll show that is by putting a 2 out front. So this becomes our balanced equation, and you always want to double check. I have 2 aluminums and 2 aluminums. I have 6 hydrogens, and 3 times 2 is 6 hydrogens. I have 6 chlorides, and I have 3 times 2, 3 chlorides, 2 times for 6 chlorides. So that's my balanced equation. I think I'll leave off that other one for now and do that in another video, and I hope that helps you out with balancing the aluminum reaction with hydrochloric acid. This is actually pretty interesting. because it bubbles out and you can light it on fire. So maybe we'll do that experiment sometime on the other channel, Flemdog Science. Talk to you soon, and well, I guess I'll see you later. Bye. Wonder